Are you familiar with those young wild animals? Let's see them. What is called the young of pig? Piglet. What is called the young of whale? Calf. What is called the young of owl? Owlet. What is called the young of goose? Gosling. What is called the young of fox? Cub. What is called the young of lion? Cub. What is called the young of bear? Cub. What is called the young of butterfly? Caterpillar. What is called the young of deer? Fawn. What is called the young of duck? Duckling. What is called the young of elephant? Calf. What is called the young of eagle? Eaglet. What is called the young of frog? Tadpole. What is called the young of bird? Nestling. Subscribe for more later contents. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.